start streaming. Hopefully I have this all set up right. Well, hello and welcome to the SaturdayMP show, episode number 95, being recorded live actually. maybe this will totally be live, we'll see. April 27th, 2026. So today we're going to be back on PostCast. So Omar's here. He doesn't have any Git problems today, I'm assuming. So we'll. I totally thought last episode would just be a quick. Last time Omar was on would be just a quick Git. Like we'd solve it in like 5 minutes and we'd jump right into PostCast, but not today or not last time. So today we're back to PostCast. So if you haven't watched the previous ones, go ahead and watch previous videos about PostCast. But in summary, it's just a desktop application that we're building so that we can upload posts to LinkedIn. In our case, LinkedIn. We need LinkedIn and Slack. Those are the two big ones that we need. And we use that for, where are we here? There we go. We use it for the weekly dev chat. So, because every week we need to do posts about the topic and stuff like that. And it's just a pain in the butt to have to go to all these different sites and do it. So hopefully this desktop app will save us some of that problem. In worst case, we never end up using it, but at least we've learned a bunch of stuff along the way. Omar and I neither of us are experts in Go, so we've been figuring that out as we go along. And it's just been a fun experience. We're trying not to use the clankers, the AI too terribly much, just so we can learn. Every once in a while we get frustrated and we use it, but yeah, so today we've connected past videos. We connected to LinkedIn. So that is actually working. So we're pretty happy with that. And today's video is going to be us setting up more. So we started last time setting up some Slack, but we ran into troubles with setting up tests and mocking kind of off camera. We think we figured some of it out, so we'll see. But yeah, so that's what we're going to try for today is set up more Slack integration. So yeah, Omar, you want to say a quick hello and then we can just jump right into this.
Sure, yeah. Hey, everybody. I was watching. My name is Omar. I am a web developer, software developer. I come from a music economics background, and I've been doing this for, a good 5 or so years now, and I haven't looked back since. I like to think that I used to play the strings, now I can concatenate them. So I also have found this a great opportunity to work on a desktop application. So getting outside of the kind of like web app box that I've been in for the past while. And that's really been educational. It's they say you learn by building, and I think that's really true. Having to get in and look at the guts of this thing and see how Go works and see how the different patterns in Go that we're trying to use here. And it's also scratching an itch, which something that I haven't done a lot of, and I got to say it's a very different experience. I think it's one thing to kind of just build something for just learning purposes, but it's a different kind of scenario when you're building something that you feel you're actually going to use. I think it gives you a little bit more juice in that way to kind of get it working and so that you can kind of play with it, right? So you can take it on a test drive, and I think that's kind of exciting. So getting more into that kind of headspace and enjoying that a lot. So yeah, uh, happy to be here, and let's get this show on the road.
All right, so off camera we talked about, so we're setting up Slack. We're trying to do some kind of test-driven development here. So we have these, basically we figured out we're going to need, I don't know why I put this on one line. Oh, my editor thinks this should be on one line for some reason. Okay. But we have this one, like we want to basically have the save token method. It's going to take the token that we want to save. It's going to call this credential store, which is this class we created, or not class, I don't know what you would call it, package, I guess, in Go that will just store the credential. In this case, it stores it in the keyring. Behind the scenes, we use this Zalando Keyring API or library to help us with that. So behind the same, it saves it there. And now we're just trying to write some tests to make sure that the token is actually saved and that we can retrieve it. So last time we were doing this mocking stuff, and I don't think we need to actually use any of the mocks. Cut off camera before we started, we were discussing this. I think what we'll do instead is we will add this storage location option to our credential store, because this underlying keyring library also has an option for mocking. Actually, it calls it like mock init, but really what it does is it stores it in memory. So I think we can use that. And once we can store it in memory, then these tests can run on any, like they're not total integration tests. They would be just like unit tests, because we're not actually testing that we're storing to the keyring, but then the test can run on systems that don't have a keyring installed, like say our CI/CD or something like that. Or if just other people run and install this application, they don't have a keyring, then theoretically the tests will still work. So that's our goal. That's our plan for right now. So I think I'm going to clean this up a little bit, because we don't need any of this mock stuff, and then we'll see if we can get our our credential store locations actually working. I guess we can finish this off, because we can, yeah, it's a switch, right? Switch S.
Yeah.
So case keyring. So we do have I guess the clanker is turned on for the autocomplete, but this is pretty much what we want. If it's the keyring, turn on the keyring mock init. Do you need a break? I guess
you don't need a break in Go. No, it's implicit in Go. You don't need to add breaks.
Oh, really? Why did it want to put it in then? That's interesting.
Because I think it's probably just so common, and like it's still gonna work, I'm pretty sure, but you don't need it. It's kind of one of those things it's doing it for you.
Can we turn off? Can this be turned off? I guess I should check. It's kind of, oh, okay, so we don't need the break, but go Zalando Keyring. Oh, maybe this is on forever. I don't know if there's a way to turn this off or not.
I mean, is that where a Go routine would come in, where you'd sort of have it as part of that, and then get rid of that routine at some point?
I don't understand what you just said there. Can you repeat that?
Like, is that where maybe you would have it as part of a thread that you would destroy at some point?
A thread. Oh, I don't think this would have to do with threading.
Okay.
Oh yeah, let's put things on one. Oops. Let's put things on one line. Yeah, just because. Let's see what other methods are available in the keyring. Is there anything here? Oh, right, we could do it with an init. Yeah, it looks like it. So I don't think, basically they set it to the mock provider. Yeah, and it's just a in-memory map, basically. Okay.
Oh, it's a type struct there.
What, sorry?
Like a type struct that they have there?
Yeah, so this is just to store their in. I think this is just to store the in memory um, keyring values.
Hmm.
So I'm not 100% familiar with what a map is in Go, but I'm assuming this is the string, like this is the key or the username that you pass in. This is maybe the password or something. It looks like a map within a map or something. But this is their in memory way of mapping. Yeah, so then they stores the user pass in a keyring. Yeah, so their set method, if you're using the mock, is going to take the username, the password, and then it's going to use this mock provider here. It's going to use whatever error. That's for the error returning. If there's no mock stored yet, then create one is what this does. If there's no, the first thing, this first string is the service. This is the username, and then this is the password. Okay. So if there's no service that exists for this already, then make one, and then set the username and password. Basically, it's like a maybe like a two-dimensional array. Basically, is what they got going on there. So, and then of course, get is just find it, delete removes it. Yeah. Provider. So where's provider come from? Is that from keyring? I'd have to look a little bit more, but okay, so maybe we can't just swap this all the time. Do we want to do like I was thinking like a storage location, but we could also do this like it's almost like a one-time setup. Like do we like call it like use memory store? And then we don't even have this because we can't really switch it back and forth. So
Right.
maybe that's what we just do. Like use memory store for now. And then we can rename this if we need to. And we don't need this. That simplifies it. We don't need a bunch of that crap then either. Okay. So use memory store. And then in our tests here, we don't need all this mocking mumbo jumbo. Yeah, we don't need to do any of this anymore. We could do credential store dot.
Yeah, it looks like people, I don't know if this is the same thing. I'm going to drop this in the chat here so you can look at it. It looks like
Okay.
He's using a map here in the storage package.
You threw that
Like
in the
using...
Zoom chat there?
I did, yeah.
Let me see. All right. Sign in with Google. Ugh, so annoying. Like, listen, website developers and all those people don't have your annoying sign-in things pop up all the time. It's really annoying. Like, how insecure do you have to be to have those pop up like all the time? Yeah, in-memory key value store. Okay. Oh, see, there's another. Like, this is so annoying. Why would you do this, Medium? I'm just trying
Medium
to read
loves
your
that.
article. Okay, so they create it. Oh, they're creating a bigger key value. Oh yeah, they're using the map though too. Map must be just like a dictionary or something, I'm assuming. Yeah, that's just like a key value. Yeah. So they're creating their own key value method. Put, there's their storage option they're passing in with the put method. It takes a key, it takes a value. Oh, and they're passing in more stuff. They're taking an ID and a timestamp and stuff. But so it's very similar
Yeah,
to what they're what Keyring's doing. Sorry, what was that?
apparently maps in Go are just an implementation of a hash table.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. They just got a fancier mapping. So our memory store, basically, when we do this, we're hiding the fact that it's actually just using the keyring one, but we could write our own. Whoops, if we really wanted to. But we might as well just use this existing library one just to make life easier for ourselves. Okay, so we use the memory store, and then we save the token. How to save? What options do we have for save token here? In this case, it's just yeah, Slack grid to save token. What's our oh yeah, we just take the one, just the token, that's it. Right, because then we use Slack. We use the token name of token. Okay. So why doesn't it? I might have to turn the clanker off for this too. This is getting kind of annoying. Is it just this? Oh yeah, Slack save token. Because this is all in. Oh right, this is all just in the Slack package. Okay. And where this is the Slack test package. Okay, so we save the token. All these tests are always kind of goofy because, like, I never know if these tests are actually worth it. I guess they're doing some testing, but you need to save and retrieve, right? Like, it's not just really like a save method. It's like a save
Right.
and a retrieve. We don't need to log anything. So it should save token. Should that return an error? I guess everything returns an error, right?
I mean, in this case, wouldn't you just have it as a like because you're getting the token? Is that the save token that you're getting back from the retrieve method? So yeah, wouldn't you just return both
Yeah, no, sorry. I was thinking
and then check?
for the save token. Oh, save token returns an error because credential store returns an error. Okay. Sorry,
Hmm.
I was thinking about the save token here.
Oh, I
So
see. Okay.
like error equals this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then we do if no, we could do a lowercase assert dot no error. So this is really like save and retrieve. Sure, because we're doing both.
Yeah.
And then here we would have assert no error, and then assert that it equals this, right? And we could even do I don't know. Do we just do T? Like, I want to call this like token name, but
I don't think you can use T again, right? Because you're already.
oh, I can't use T. Right. There, we call this TT for test token. Like, is that
I mean,
the?
that's getting kind of gross, right?
Is this the? Yeah, that's not very good.
Yeah.
Because I want this to be like the name, the token name. So like I would call this like token name.
Mm.
Oh, it doesn't
Which
like
is
that.
much better already.
Yeah, but Go doesn't like that, right? Like,
I see what you mean.
oh, this needs to be updated.
Yeah, I mean you could call it like TN, I guess, or something, but uh,
Like, do we call this expected token?
right. That that looks nicer to me. Um, I don't think Go cares in a sense, right? I mean, I understand that these are the way people do things, but we're the ones that are kind of looking at this thing for now, right? ET just seems really, uh, parsed kind of like, I mean, it just seems really not informative.
Yeah. We can't use T because T's already used. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we did this. So now I need to remember how to run the test. Oh, I always forget.
Yeah, I think it's like Go
Did we put it in the README?
test is the command. And then it's like dot slash dot dot dot.
Right. Yeah. This should run all the tests. Oh, I want to do.
Uh,
Is it just test?
Test, I think. Just
Oh, just
test.
test. Yeah. Oh, okay. Cool. So
Yeah.
yeah. Hey, they all passed.
Yeah,
So
all
if we
right.
put an error in here, let's, I don't know, just make this assert error. This should fail. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, so we're happy. So saving works. And then let's just make sure that we didn't accidentally write to the actual.
Keyring, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did end up testing it on my Mac. I think I told you that, and it did
Oh,
seem
yeah.
to work.
Oh. Oh no, I put a bunch of actual ones in here. Okay. Git Butler. Oh, yeah, I installed this Git Butler thing I was playing around with. I can actually get rid of these. I didn't like Git, but it didn't. It just messed up my repo, I thought. So, okay, so this is my client ID for PostCast LinkedIn that we did last time. So that's probably fine. But it didn't look like it added anything because we had the in-memory thing. So just out of curiosity, if we get rid of this, the test should still pass, but it'll add the. Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah.
So our memory seems to be working.
Nice.
So I could just delete that. Okay. There. All right. Let's call that a win, and we should probably commit that. Oh, I need to do. Oh, but our retrieve doesn't do anything. How is that even working? Our retrieve token doesn't return anything.
Oh no.
How's that test passing? Oh, because we're calling credential store retrieve. We're going right to the. Oh, okay. So this can be a save because we're not. We're okay. I guess we could do this. This is like. So we got options. We can call credential store retrieve. So
Mm.
we're not using the actual Slack save token. We're going right to the heart of it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Right.
Uh, or we could just do like Slack dot retrieve token. This one will fail.
Yeah.
Um,
Well, it's already telling you that there's nothing there probably, right? And that uh the red squiggly.
yeah, it's because the retrieve token doesn't do. Oh wait, we don't take any arguments. That's why.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I guess this is like the better way. Okay. what was it? Get? Oh, no, I don't remember. What do we have here? Oh, retrieve.
True, yeah.
In this case, we need to put the name in, Slack, and the expected token. Okay, that should still pass. Oh, failed. Oh no, we don't need the expected token. We need the name of the token that's trying to save, which is just token. Okay. It's probably hard, or put those as constants or something. Okay. And now we can write. Okay, what do we change in the README? Oh, we just put some stuff in there. Okay, let's do this.
Oh, I updated that, yeah.
Boom, boom, boom.
Or no, you updated something in there, did you?
In the README, yeah, I think I just put some comments in here for the Slack hooks.
Yeah,
Because
okay.
we were playing around with how do those work.
Right.
So I guess I could just get rid of, I can even just undo this. Excuse me. Okay. Let's just do
Oh, we
this.
didn't stream today, huh?
Sorry?
I said we're not streaming.
Yeah, we should be. We're live streaming.
Oh, okay.
It should be live. If you go to, I don't know how you're looking at it, but if you go to YouTube and then click, it's a non-public link. So I guess here I can.
Oh, yeah, it's unlisted, right?
Yeah, it's unlisted. Like I threw it in the Dev Edmonton Slack, but it's unlisted, so I can share it with
Yeah.
you here in the.
I can grab it from there.
Yeah, you grab it from there. Yeah, so you should be able
Yeah.
to see it. I don't know. It's not reporting any errors, and it says excellent for the stream.
Oh,
Thing,
okay.
so.
I guess the changes you made work then.
Yeah, it turned. I think it was mostly the encoding. I was not doing the right encoding, so.
Yeah, it seems to be doing its thing. Cool.
Yeah, so I'm happy with that. Okay. Saving the Slack token to the credential store is working. Okay. Maybe we'll just. Oh wait, what's this? Go format, return to non. Oh, it doesn't like these. All right, yeah, I'm going to set that up. That's commit anyway. So I just, this is an old habit of mine, is I just do / space rem, and then this.
Yeah, I wasn't sure what that meant.
That tells me I could just search for capital REM later and just find. I used to use it for like shorthand for remove, and then I could just find all the places where I want to put comments and stuff I want to look at later.
Oh, okay.
So.
Yeah, I was really confused by that. It's like REM. I mean, that must mean something to him, but it means nothing to me.
Yeah, and it's also the comment used for old Windows batch file scripting was REM. So.
Oh.
Okay, so now we can add. We can do retrieve token. So we can do a successful retrieve. In this case, I guess we could do the expected token. This will be error Slack token like that. Sorry, no error. And then we do the actual retrieve. Token. Okay, we'll have to implement it, right? And then we have to assert that these two things are equal. Okay, so this is going to fail. Well, it won't even compile. Okay, let's just have these open side by side so I don't need to keep jumping back and forth. Oops. Put you to the right. Okay, good. Go over there. Okay. I don't know. This is kind of like the real test-driven development, the
Yeah.
hardcore way. So the retrieve token, we're gonna have to make it take. Oh, it doesn't return anything, so we need it to return. How do I pass? Oh, it gets like that string and an error. Okay. So if we're doing this a proper TD way, we should run this test.
Break the test first.
And it should fail, yeah. How do I get, is this -V for verbose? There we go. Fail. Oh, build failed. The build still fails. Oh, I need a return statement now. Okay. So let's just return. How do we return two things again? Like this and then nil? Is that how that works?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the build. So we did it without the V. Yeah, okay, there we go. So now it fails. We expected this, but we got this back instead. Right? So it failed on line 31. Oh, 35 actually. Oh yeah, because this saved it just fine, but this failed. This is what we want to fail, right? How do I get these? Don't show this again. So that failed. So now, right? So now we need to make this.
Comparing the expected token with the token.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead. Repeat that. I was talking over you.
Yeah, it's compare the equal method, that equal method from assert. That's what it's comparing, the expected token with the token.
Yeah.
That's where you get that diff message.
Yeah, so we're calling retrieve token here. So we save the token correctly here. We call retrieve token, but retrieve token over on the left here doesn't do anything. It just returns an empty string and no error, right? So we get no error, so that part's fine. But when you get to this equals, the expected token is this, right?
Yeah.
And then the token is this. And then it fails. So that's kind of the TD way to do things. So you write a failing test, and then you write the bare minimum, like the official TDD way, which I only do sometimes, but you write the bare minimum to make the next test pass.
Yeah.
So in this case, we actually need to. So like sometimes people take it a little too far, and it's just like then you just return expected token, and it's like okay. Technically your test is going to pass, and then maybe this should be like a random, like ideally this would be like a random string or something like that,
which is interesting because it gets you to think about these things.
Yeah, so you can do that, but then we have to figure out like how do we get a random string in here? Like is there a faker? Oh, maybe there is a faker. Oh, that's a good question. Is there a faker we can use? Go lang faker for tests. Oh yeah, look. Okay. So, do you know what like these fakers are? There, Omar. Oh, are you frozen, Omar?
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. No, I don't think I've ran into this before.
Oh, maybe this isn't the same thing. So faker, yeah, fake data. Yeah, we generate fake data based on your struct. So a lot of them, like, where's one that I'm familiar with? Like, if we look at the, I think Ruby Faker, is that what it is? Yeah. So if you look at this one, what this will do is it'll generate like for use this for testing. It'll generate like a name for you, so you could tell it like give me names, and it will return you like a name from a list, and it will return you like a made up password, like an email. The nice thing is these are formatted in kind of the format that you want.
Yeah.
So if you're like I need a test address for my testing, but every time you call it, when you set up your test, it'll call it with a different email address. So we could set it up to return the same one, but you usually set it up to return you a different email address every time.
Oh,
And so it gives you different ones. So it's just kind of nice because it gives you different lengths of strings and different things you can use. Um, like I
just sort
like,
of like a pseudo random way of,
yeah, generating test data.
yeah.
I don't know if this one. Okay, so we have a gross struct. That looks pretty gross. Does this faker just pump out just any old data? A struct. Okay. Oh yeah, it's nested. Okay, get it. Got it. Oh, lots of nesting going on. Okay. Okay, yeah. So it just generated like random numbers for all these integers for that structure. Oh, interesting. Okay. I was just hoping there was ones because the nice thing about this Ruby one is there's like string, like there's all these different generators you can use.
Yeah.
So like there's internet ones for email addresses. There's like you get emojis if you want. There's like dates and times. Blood. Ooh, what is that? Blood type? Oh yeah, this is one that gives you different blood types.
Yeah. Okay,
There's
interesting.
one that gives you different colors. There's ones that'll just generate random strings and paragraphs and words. I was kind
Right.
of hoping that this had that one in there. Uh, is there another faker library? Go
Dummy
fake it.
data.
Oh, maybe this is the one we want. Okay, this looks like more the one I was thinking of. Rather than just taking a structure, this gives you actual data. Oh, look, they even have t-shirts. Ah, we need, well, Saturday MP needs t-shirts and mugs, and so does Weekly Dev Chat. Okay. Um, yeah, so there's name, email, phone. I'm going to see full list of functions. File, product, person, game, words. So yeah, you could do like words here. Oh, these even got nouns, verbs, pronouns, just a word. Hopefully it has like a lot of times too you can specify like the max length I want for this word is like 20 or something, 20 characters.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Should we
kind of cool.
Yeah, should we add this in? Okay, I guess like if you've never seen so because you do a lot in like JavaScript and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Actually, Omar, yeah, so JavaScript also has fakers. I think it came from the JavaScript like I can't remember which is the first one. Maybe Java implemented it, and then everyone just copies it basically, right? So
Oh, okay. Interesting. I
the
mean, I know I've used some like dummy like JSON data before, like from an API, but
yeah,
uh,
and this is really useful when you're getting into things like yeah, like you have like a you're writing like a little database app, um, and you like you have you have like a person table or whatever, right? And so this will
yeah,
generate you a name. It could generate job titles for you. So your test is like semi-realistic test data too.
right.
Right. Yeah, it's really cool. So
Oh, that's neat. Actually, that's a really good way to
yeah.
to
You
test
like,
things out.
yeah, GUIDs. Yeah, it's really cool. And again, this is where you kind of find out if there's limitations. So sometimes this will barf, like it'll give you a really long email, and you find out your database email field's
Right.
only like 50 characters or 25 or something, and then you have to decide like, do I support longer emails, or I just hard code that or whatever.
Mm.
Um, yeah, so
Change the data type early on, or
yeah,
before you start kind of keeping all those records in there.
yeah,
Um,
yeah. So
yeah.
it's really cool. I've used it. I've used it in .NET and in Ruby before. Have you used Faker and anything else? Those are the two I remember using it quite a bit in. So
Hmm.
um, yeah.
No, I'm gonna have to use that. I really like that this TDD approach kind of brought up something that I don't think I would have ever paid attention to, or this early on, which I guess is the point. I mean, that's kind of what people that are really into this always talk about, is how you can catch a lot of stuff um, really early on before you get too far with the implementation.
Oh, with the TDD.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
mean, the way you were mentioning it is kind of like people go overboard, which I guess is
yeah.
you can do.
So yeah, usually I'll often use TDD when I'm like kind of the more TDD method. If I'm struggling to come up with like the algorithm I want to use in this method, sometimes I'll just start with this like okay, what's like the happy path for it? What's like an error that could come up? What's another error? And that helps define this algorithm that I'm going to use in this method. Like this is not a great example because this is like a pretty we're just passing the buck along here. But you can
Mm,
imagine a bigger method, right, where you have to make more decisions.
mm,
So I find it useful in that, but oftentimes I won't do the full TDD method,
mm.
um, just because oftentimes it's just easier to write the algorithm, like I know what I want to write, and then I'll
Yeah.
write some tests to support it. And then oftentimes it's a back and forth. Like I'll write something and then I'll write some tests and I'll be like, oh, if I wrote a test like this, it's going to cause this to fail because I didn't handle an exception. So that's where I find the tests useful. Like it's like,
I see.
oh, this like I don't handle exceptions very well in this, or what should be returned if this error occurs. Like I haven't dealt with it, and the test kind of forces me to explicitly say like if this error happens, return this error code or just throw an exception or whatever you're doing.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Well, let's add faker. Let's
All right.
okay. So the test passed, right? Look, we
Yeah.
hard coded this expected token. We hard coded this to expected token. The test passed. Let's add faker in here. What did I want? What was the one? The go. I think this is the one. Go fake it.
Go fake it. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's try go fake it, and it looks like pretty people still maintain it, so that's great.
Comprehensive.
People open some issues. Fake time doesn't work. Better password. Okay. Company slogan. Um, yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's cool. You can kind of get all these kind of real world values.
Yeah. Again, it's not as useful for our test right now, but
Mm.
anytime you're writing like anything with a database or users or anything like that, then it's super useful.
Yeah.
So what do I need to do? I need to import Go Fake It version 7. Right? Version why v7? Oh, I guess you can. They have. Uh, hmm. Well, they explicitly say to use the v7, so let's add that there. Let's see. If we're doing this in alphabetical order, it should be like this. Oops. and it's complaining because I need to run the thing. Oh yeah, go mod tidy. Okay, go mod tidy. All right, fixed it. And now here, I should be able to go. I have to look it up here. File template person address beer. I love the beer one. Malt beer name beer style. Wow, that's hardcore. Okay, so we want words. We just want any old. Oh, I wonder if there's something for tokens or passwords. It's kind of. Oops, wrong one. Is there token or key? So animal, okay, I guess we can look here. Airline, animal, app, auth. So that's passwords. Oh, maybe auth. Username, password. Functions. Auth. Username. Just get username. I guess password's pretty close to a token, right? Because tokens can be pretty long. Because the other one I was thinking of using is one of these words. Like word here. Do a lorem ipsum, probably a lorem ipsum word or something. Because we want just a string with like just a random string basically is what we want.
Yeah.
String. Oh, there, random string. Cool.
Okay.
That's probably pretty close to what we want.
String
Okay.
array. I guess a character array.
Let's see how this works. So faker. Is it? What did I have to? Go fake it v7. Fakeable types. Oh yeah, you can seed it too. Oh, it's go fake it. Okay. So go fake it dot. Right, like just why is it like this? Oh, it removed the stupid go tidy removed my
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I didn't have a reference to anything in it, so
Mm.
so it says go fake it. Okay. Don't did you remove my thing there if I ran go mod tidy? Oh you did. Okay. How do I make it not go away?
Well, you just use it, right? You use the.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
this one.
that should do it if you're using it right.
Dot sentence. Okay, let's just do this. Go get. Okay, I'll just run this. This is what it's telling me to run. Oh, I grabbed like the version 3 or something. Okay, what did it change? Now I'm curious. Go mod? Oh, what's the go sum? Which is the one? Okay, now everything's all crazy. I can't. There we go. Okay, there we are. It got added. Great. Oh, and it updated some of my other stuff, maybe. Okay. Oh, I can put it in the require here. Okay. So I should. It's saying it's indirect. Unused dependency. Okay, well, maybe it'll be used now. Let me see. I should probably put this up here. Oh, okay. For some reason, my little... Oh, there's the arrows. Okay. Go mod. So let's just put this. Let's do this. There we go.
Was the go get command too, right?
Go get command. This one down here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I ran, but I think... Do we use it as a... Like... It's got the two requires. Like, these are all the indirect ones. Do we... Well, maybe we just leave it. Like, leave it as an indirect one, because we kind of only need it. I wonder if it gets removed when we compile it. Like, I don't need this when we compile it. I don't understand how dependencies work, but... Okay, let's... Okay, well, you're there. So, okay, there we go. Now it exists. Word. No, we were gonna do random string.
Yeah.
Is that what random string does for me? How do I
takes in a string array, I guess?
Like, it's going to return one of these random strings? I thought it would just return a random string. Oh, that's annoying. Oh, yeah, it's just going to return me one of... oh, yeah, it's going to return me a string that I have to define.
Okay.
I don't want that. I want... digit, letter... What's lexify? That requires a string too. I want you just to return me a random string. So lorem ipsum. Oh, I guess I'm not showing any of this. Lorem ipsum. Preposition, adverbs, verbs. Maybe we just do the password here. Password's pretty close to what we need. Hopefully that'll have, like... Do I need to pass any of this thing? So that must mean, do I want to include lower ones? Yes, true. 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 Special characters, true. True. How big I want it? Tokens could be pretty big, eh? Let's put it at 128. Okay, I don't know. Let's just see if this even works. Oh, fail. All right, yeah, so it's going to fail because we're going to have... Yeah, okay, that looks kind of tokeny, eh? That's not too bad. I'm happy with that.
No, it's all right.
Yeah, so it expected this, and then the actual was expected token. So now we have to do the bare minimum to get this to pass again. If I can. Ugh.
Oh, how are you going to get them to be the same though?
Well, I don't return the expected token anymore, right? What do you mean? How am I going to get them to be the same? Sorry, I
I
should.
mean, isn't it just random? Like, how are you going to get it so that when it's comparing the expected token with the token that it's comparing the same thing? Can you generate that same go fake it password on the when you're doing the when you're calling that retrieve token function in your credential store?
No, we have to update this. So we hard coded this retrieve token method
Yeah,
to just always return expected token.
this function. Yeah,
Yeah. What we need to do is we need to actually return the stored token, right? Because what we did here is we randomly generate a string, we save that string, right, in
yeah,
there, and then we retrieve that string. But right now, because we did last time, we did the bare minimum to get the test to pass, right? Which,
yeah, yeah. Okay, so you're going to get it from memory then
yeah,
and return it.
yeah.
Yeah, okay, I see.
So instead, whoops, I'm on the wrong one. So instead of doing this, we're going to return, yeah, basically do this, right?
Right.
And now the test should pass. Hooray! The test passed. So that's kind of the bare minimum TDD way of doing things. And I guess we should probably change this here too.
Ah, okay.
And then what we should probably do, right, because this is basically duplicated code, we should probably have, I guess we could put it down here. Func, I don't know, gen token,
Right.
right? And then here we would do this. Oops. Man, my fingers are really fat today. Okay, there we go. And then we do this, and then we go gen token, and then we go up here, and we do gen token. There. Now we're not repeating ourselves. So,
Okay.
oh, this needs what? A return? Return. Yeah. And there, we're still passing. So now all our tokens are generated the same way for all our methods.
Nice.
Yeah. So that's a successful retrieve. And now we should probably write a retrieve that fails, right? Where if it doesn't exist. Oh, look, it's even put in failed retrieve. Sometimes this AI is so creepy with how smart it's getting.
Can read your mind.
Yeah. So in this case, let's retrieve token. Is this gonna fail? We retrieve the token, we save the token. Because we're using the memory store. This is going to, that's going to pass, I think. Oh no, it does fail. Oh no, yeah, an error is expected. Yeah, so the test did fail. Because we need to somehow clear out this retrieve token. So I guess we could do this. Credential store dot delete. Oh, do we have a remove method? What do we call it? Remove? Oh, we don't have a way to delete our anything from our
Token
credential store
from
yet.
no.
I guess we should. I guess we should add that, eh? Okay, so this. Remove
Well,
address.
why would we though? I guess when we want to update it.
Yeah, or maybe the user asked us to clear it out, right? They don't want to
Oh,
store it
okay.
anymore.
Well,
Save,
then they just.
retrieve, remove. Yeah, I'll have to add some tests. The other reason I used REM is because everyone else was using like to do or fix me or
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm used to. Yeah.
yeah. So if you want to go like, if, I don't know what you could even
To
use
do
like
as you.
Omar or I don't know this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm used to dos. Yeah.
yeah. But if you're in a project with a bunch of other people, there's probably other people that have added to dos, and then so like what I would do is I would do all my work, and then I would just do like a global find for this, and I would like turn,
Hmm.
capitalization matters, and now I can find all the
Oh, I see
places.
what you mean.
Yeah, I could even like it has to be the entire
It's
word. It
sort of
could,
like your signature one.
yeah. So I guess the other one, if I want to use like my initials or something, like use
Okay,
CGC.
I see.
Yeah, so now I
Yeah,
can find like I can go in here and be like, oh, okay, like look, we have to see this is an old REM that we haven't cleaned up yet because I haven't been
yeah,
following my own process. So that's why I use that. And then I'll put like, okay, I need to add tests here, right? Like add comments or something.
right.
Okay, so there, credential store. Let's make sure it's removed. And now this test should pass. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so it returns us an error. So insert error. I wonder what the error string is that gets returned. Oh, I'm curious. Can I print? Is it just FMT? Yeah.
FMT, yeah.
How do I print things out for? Does verbose give me more?
Not sure if it'll print it out in the test though. Are you
Oh,
importing?
there it is, right there. Secret not found in
Oh,
Keyring.
okay.
Okay. So that's the error it'll print out. So if we wanted to check the error, we could. Oops.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's pretty cool.
Hmm.
Okay, so that's pretty good. I don't think we need any more tests for that. So what? How long have we been recording for? Like an hour? Oh
It's
yeah,
been
like
like
an
an hour
hour.
and a half. Yeah.
Okay, so maybe what I'll do. Do you have any last minute questions about that? And maybe we'll just wrap this up. I know we never actually got to saving to Slack, but we kind of did some cool stuff with saving or with testing. So
Yeah. No, I think that's a cool little discovery there. I might have to start incorporating those fake values.
yeah, Faker. Yeah, I forgot about Faker. So um, yeah, you could totally like what were some of the other ones? It was like go fake it. You can even seed it if you want the same things too all the time.
Mhm.
But yeah, you could do like URLs, and
Right.
it'll give you all sorts of. So now, right now, it's fighting like the autocomplete for the dot and the autocomplete for the AI is like fighting each other. It's kind of annoying. But yeah, you could generate like URLs. Does this take any arguments? Doesn't look like it. Yeah, and a lot of this is built off of. I think there's files in here. Like a lot of these just have a bunch of files with like URLs in it. Let's see. Maybe
Okay.
source. No. Oops. So some of them are just tons of files. Data maybe. Yeah. So if you look under airline, like it's just someone just added this file of a bunch of like here's a bunch of airports.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Um, and if you look at there's like an errors one. Oh yeah, here's a bunch of generic errors so you can get. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, what do they have for celebrities? Oh, okay. Dwayne Johnson. What's the second one? Oh, why won't it let me?
Really?
There we go. Oh, business and sports, celebrities, actors. Oh, okay. Yeah, so that's a lot of these. That's all it is. Like if you look at the words, like it just here's a bunch of words. Like you want a
Hmm.
noun, here's a bunch of nouns. And then this one is maybe not the best, but other ones will have these in different languages as well. Like I think the
Yeah.
JS, does this one have a bunch of languages?
Looks
Uh,
like
where are all the locals? Yeah. Oh yeah.
yeah.
So oh yeah, here's all the animals and what's DE? Is that Dutch?
Deutsch. Yeah.
Oh yeah, there they are. So I'm assuming those are correct. I have no idea. Oh, maybe they have. What do you speak? You speak it? Is it Egyptian? Sorry, I don't.
That's Arabic.
Arabic. Is that AR?
Yeah.
Oh right. Oh okay. So they don't have a lot. So that's the other thing that's lacking maybe sometimes. But I don't know. Here's colors. Oops. I want. What is it? Human. Oh. So I don't
Yeah.
know. Are those the colors in Arabic?
Yeah. Looks about right.
It's probably hard to see on the screen, but cool. Yeah. So yeah, they have
Yeah.
different languages if your application needs to support. Because a lot of times the other problem I've ran into with applications, I've never had to store Arabic, but often French and English is a
Hmm.
common one, or Spanish,
Yeah.
and they will have those special characters like the E with the accent
Right.
on it. And then if your
The
database
glyphs.
is
Yeah.
not the what, sorry?
The glyphs, like the extra glyphs kind of thing.
Yeah, but sometimes your database fields, especially if you're working with an older legacy database, they're not set up to handle like they're set up maybe for ASCII only or like a certain um what the heck are those things called? Like a code page or whatever. Like they're set up for a certain interpretation. They're not set up for Unicode. So as soon as you try to
Right.
shove like a special character in there, it will complain. So
I think Go
um
handles that with. I think they might handle that with the runes apparently.
Oh, maybe. Yeah. But again, this is a lot of times. Sometimes it's come down to your database. Like, how did you
Yeah, I see what you mean.
set up that field, and what is your database?
Right. The data type.
Yeah. Not even the data type. Sometimes it's just like you could be a string, but if you're encoding or I can't remember what the terminology is anymore. But if your code page is set up wrong, then
Uh,
right, like you might not support special characters or emojis. Like if you're not using like a Unicode or something format. So
I see. Yeah.
I have
Yeah.
ran into that problem, and this is another good thing. You set up a test for another language or something, like hey, throw in some
Right.
French strings every once in a while, and see if you're, um,
See if your internationalization is up to par.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So that's also handy. Yeah, I support English now. I need to support Spanish. Set up Faker. There's a lot of them you can. I don't think this one can, but a lot of them you can set up the language you want to use when you initialize the Faker object,
Uh,
and
oh yeah, that's a good test actually.
yeah, and then yeah, it throws a random bunch of data in there. So yeah, I've had Faker reveal some interesting issues with applications for me in the past. So or catch them
Hmm.
before I've pushed them to production. So um,
It's pretty useful.
yeah, well maybe we should. What is 11:30? Yeah, it's almost lunchtime. So we should wrap up this video. I think. Unless do you have any other questions?
No, I think that's it. I mean, it's good session. Um, Better than the last one, I think, in terms of
Yeah. Do you mean the
being able
last
to.
postcast one or the last one where we did bug
The
get
last
or
postcast
whatever?
one. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
No, postcast one. Yeah.
Yeah, at least this time we wrote some code, so I feel a little better.
Well, I think it was just getting stuck last time
Yeah.
in those uh, Testify um,
Oh yeah,
mocking.
yeah. We still haven't quite figured that out. I'm sure that'll come back to haunt us eventually, but
Right.
I don't think. Well, there might be some API calls. Like eventually, we want to map out or mock out like some of these API calls that we're doing here. So what are we using? The LinkedIn. Um, or sorry, well, we would mock out the actual. We're not using LinkedIn API or a library, but we would mock out these net HTTP calls
Right.
potentially because if we set up a test for one of these and it makes a call, like it's creating this URL, where does it actually make the call here? Oh, it's uh, yes, we're creating a mutex. The function, and this, I think this is doing the actual.
I think it's the function that's getting passed in there, the anonymous function, maybe with the response writer and the request.
Oh yeah, maybe this r.url.query. This is sending that URL,
Hmm.
sending the request out maybe, and that's waiting for a response.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're uh,
W.
function handle function callback. Yeah. Oh yeah. So this mute serve mutex. Okay, we'd have to do some reading about that. But this is building the authorization URL. This makes
Those are
our
the
little.
channels I was telling you about
Oh, for the um.
for the Go routines.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. That's spinning up the server there.
Yeah. We spin up the server here. We listen and serve, and then it just waits this go function. So this is kind of what hangs for us, I think.
Yeah, I think that's the Go routine, right?
Code channel. Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe this is the async code ch.
Yeah, that's like the non-blocking that's happening from which would make sense in this case, right? Where it's a uh, network routine.
Oh, okay. So here's the mutex. Oh, this code. Okay, something like that. I don't know. Yeah, I'll have to dig into this a little bit more. But yeah, we
It's starting to make a little bit more sense to me, just from looking at some of the documentation.
yeah.
Yeah, at first it was getting. It's just funny with these things because they sort of just throw out all this code, and it can be. Yeah, I mean, it can be a little much when you're trying to look at, especially, so like if it was JavaScript, that it would probably be a lot easier to just kind of sort through and tell what's going on since I've been doing that for a lot longer.
Mm.
Um, but with this, yeah, I mean, it's kind of had to stop myself and just kind of see, okay, what's actually what is Go, right? Like what is Go,
What is go?
yeah, yeah,
What does that even
yeah.
mean?
Yeah, like I had to take it down to the fundamentals a bit, and so things start to make a lot more sense then. It's still a lot. It's still this is gross. Like this file is um, which is the other thing too. I'm trying to figure out like what the best way to like refactor things, what the best way is in Go.
Oh yeah.
Do you sort of like extract things to different modules, or do you kind of keep something like this all in one module, but just in separate functions, separate methods?
Yeah, yeah. I guess we'll have to figure that out too as
Hmm.
life goes on.
Yeah.
Okay, but yeah, we'd have to mock some of these out if we want to write unit tests for some of this,
Right. Yeah.
and then we have to decide how hardcore we want to go with our mocking. Is it worth it to mock it out? Because mocking out some of this stuff can get kind of gross after a while. So,
Hmm.
um, yeah, cool. Any other questions?
Uh, I guess should we just make a note to say, what we left off on and what's next to do here, just to remind ourselves so we're not hurting our heads the next time?
uh, yeah. Do we want to do that off the air? For
Sure.
because I was thinking I'll clean this up a little bit with all my REM comments,
Okay.
and then I'll make sure I actually commit and push it, so we don't lose it, and
Yeah.
then yeah, maybe we can, and then yeah, I'll probably I'll put a note somewhere. I don't know if I'll put it in the code or I don't know.
Well, I put in
We'll
the
find.
README. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe this. I don't. Yeah, well, I'll find a place for us to put it somewhere where both
Yeah.
of us could see what the heck we worked on. So, and then if
Yeah.
one of us has time this week, we can keep working on the Slack um, integration here. Now that we have the credentials being stored,
Yeah.
we could look at having like a post, um, kind of similar method like post. It'll have the same signature, maybe like a token. I don't even know if we need the origin ID, but we'll have a token and a body,
Hmm.
and then the
Yeah,
code, the
depending on
actual
the
code will
API.
be different. How we format it, like how do we link to which API do we link to? Um, yeah, and the response codes. But yeah, we'd have to write a similar method to this to get it to post to Slack,
Yeah.
so we can actually get it to show up on. There we go. So we get it to show up there. So
Cool.
like we did when we wrote those curl commands. So yeah.
Yeah, and it'd be nice to have that so it's not a bot that posts, right? It'd be nice to do it so it's a user.
Oh yeah, I think I took those notes down in the dot plans. Post to Slack. Yeah. Right as
Yeah.
bot. Yeah, for a user, pick the token scope and add chat. Yeah, and then it showed up as this is the old SaturdayMP show. Uh but yeah, then yeah, okay. So I did take some notes. I'm not committing this dot plans folder though, so these are
Okay.
just my own internal notes. Okay, cool.
Cool.
Well, that'll be my job after lunch is to do that. But yeah, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode, this live one. Currently, we're recording every Monday at about 9:30, 10 Mountain Time. So if you're interested in joining us live, I don't know, maybe we'll eventually make these. Right now, the URLs are just the unlisted ones. Maybe we'll make a public URL. But if you're interested, let me know, and maybe we can add you to the list for people we can send out the link to. Yeah, of course, if you have any other questions or comments or suggestions, do ask at SaturdayMP.com. You can leave comments below, like, subscribe, all the things. Make us feel better by liking and subscribing, and increase our tiny little egos. And of course, it just helps other people find the content. If you found this useful, like our discussion about Go or TDD testing or anything, if you like it, subscribe and share it with others, then they can find it easier. And yeah, thanks, Omar. It's good to have you here as always. I really enjoy working on PostCast with you.
Yeah, for sure. It's good to be here.
Yeah, and we'll catch everyone next time. I hope you have a great rest of your day and take care. Bye for now.